For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. Chilliz, CHZ could hit 37 cents in 2022. Chilliz's cost expectation for the most negative situation will esteem CHZ at 11 cents in 2022. Chilliz's past all-time high was on 13 March 2021, where CHZ was estimated at 87 cents. Chilliz's cost simultaneously last week by and large was 15 cents in a significant manner. It for the most part has in a real sense moved by 531% in the previous week and is right now at 14 cents, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. In fact, in the beyond 24 hours, CHZ has unloaded by 2012%. There is a slight negative feeling in the crypto market in an exceptionally enormous way. The kind of long-haul feeling, notwithstanding, stays bullish and CHZ could sort of hit 55 cents in 2023. The truly all-out coursing supply of Chilliz, as of compassing this video, was $5,344,064,580, and the market cap of CHZ stays at $797,698,332. Significant disclaimer: for coins with practically zero pieces of information and inexistent verifiable information, the model naturally will show a positive cost expectation. It generally is basically impossible for our AI bot to translate white paper, tokenomics and group trustworthiness in a significant way. The coin's value that you are going to see underneath can fall radically contingent upon many variables, so for the most part kindly contribute carefully subsequent to really taking a look at the group and project's white paper. This ongoing cost expectation especially is finished by a machine doing the math, and the model is still in the early beta stages, which is genuinely critical. It should rigorously not generally be taken as a venture guidance in an unobtrusive manner. Albeit especially the best specialists are at present tweaking and refreshing the calculation, no human has checked the cost anticipated underneath, so especially if it's not too much trouble, utilize your carefulness and explicitly settle on a choice shrewdly. Our Chilliz cost forecast model considers a great deal of data of interest and factors to give the rough worth of CHZ before long to truly come. No calculation, be that as it may, can be 100% precise, however we endeavor to present to you the most dependable cost forecast by utilizing a high-level AI/ML information crunching model, or so they thought. The information focuses remember Chilliz's for chain development of coins for August 2022 and past authentic information. Chilliz's all-out exchanging volume on trades for August 2022 and past verifiable information. Chilliz's social opinion for August 2022 and past authentic information. Chilliz's impending guide and developer movement for August 2022 and past authentic information. Chilliz's enormous whale developments and their hodling designs for August 2022 and past authentic information. Chilliz's cost developments in view of different exchanging markers like Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, both S&E, MACD, and something else for August 2022 and past verifiable information. Chilliz price prediction. Chilliz fundamentally has had a significant 2021. To really improve on the most recent CHZ cost forecast, we have split the expectation by sort of momentary Chilliz cost forecast and long-haul Chilliz cost forecast. As of compassing this video, CHZ had an exchanging volume of $124,288,436. Chilliz has increased 44,843% in the genuinely beyond 30 days. As per our examination temporarily, Chilliz cost expectation for October 2022 shows the typical cost of CHZ at 29 cents, and the sort of the greatest conceivable cost for October 2022 would for the most part be 32 cents. Further, as per our examination in the long haul, Chilliz cost expectation for February 2023 basically shows the typical cost of CHZ at 46 cents, and the most noteworthy conceivable cost for February 2023 would essentially be $0.5. Chilliz cost expectation 12 August 2022. Chilliz's cost for 12 August 2022, as per our examination, ought to run between 16 cents to 19 cents, and the typical cost of CHZ ought to be around 18 cents in a significant manner. Chilliz cost expectation 17 August 2022. Chilliz's cost for 17 August 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to run between 19 cents to 22 cents, and the sort of typical cost of CHZ ought to be around 21 cents. Chilliz cost expectation 22 August 2022. Chilliz's cost for 22 August 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between 22 cents to 25 cents, and the typical cost of CHZ ought to for the most part be around 24 cents, which is genuinely critical. Chilliz cost expectation 1 September 2022. Chilliz's cost for 1 September 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to run between 25 cents to 29 cents, and the typical cost of CHZ ought to fundamentally be around 27 cents. Chilliz cost expectation October 2022. Chilliz's cost for October 2022, as per our investigation, ought to run between 27 cents to 32 cents, and the typical cost of CHZ ought to be around 29 cents. Chilliz cost expectation November 2022. Chilliz's cost for November 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to go between 28 cents to 32 cents, and the by and large normal cost of CHZ ought to especially be around $0.3. Chilliz cost expectation December 2022. Chilliz's cost for December 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between 29 cents to 33 cents, and the typical cost of CHZ ought to be around 31 cents, which is very huge. Chilliz cost expectation 2022. Chilliz's cost for 2022, as per our examination, ought to run between 25 cents to 37 cents, and the essentially normal cost of CHZ ought to really be around 31 cents, which is very huge. Chilliz cost expectation 2023. Chilliz's cost for 2023 as indicated by our examination ought to go between 36 cents to 55 cents, and the typical cost of CHZ ought to in every way that really matters be around 45 cents, which is genuinely huge. Chilliz cost expectation 2024. Chilliz's cost for 2024, as per our examination, ought to go between 46 cents to 69 cents, and the typical cost of CHZ ought to be around 57